Stronger acid it is. Let me get out the 14K stuff. $14K. That just means that it's stronger than the 10K. So we're gonna pour that stuff. Let's try it right inside here. Can you guys see that fuming? Oh yeah. Now we're getting a reaction. Now we're getting a color change. I'm getting a sizzle too. I'll put this close to the mic so we can hear it. Oh yeah, that's the sizzle of acid on metal. You can hear it. And you can see it. So this gives us some information because when you get a color changing reaction, you can determine what metals are involved or not involved. So in this case, we know definitely that it's not gold. And there are quite a bit of fumes here, and I probably should do this outside. But take a look. We got a big etching from the acid, okay? Now let's see if the 14 karat acid makes a hole on this gold-plated piece of ceramic, because the 10 karat acid did not. So here's the 14 karat right next to the 10 karat. Oh, there's the drop going down. See, I didn't do it right. I didn't neutralize it. And start over for you guys. You know by now from watching this far that the 10K acid didn't do anything. So I'm just going to pour the 14 karat acid where you guys can see it, and hopefully it won't drip down. Oh, you can see it smoking. See that? That tells us... What does that tell us? That tells us that this is not gold? Is it reacting with something that's not gold, or what's happening? So, well, I suspect, upon closer inspection, I actually don't know what it was reacting with. I'm going to do it again. So watch, the 14 karat gold goes on there. It keeps running down, so it's very annoying. I want it to stay in place. There. Can you see that? That is a pool of 14 karat nitric acid. So I don't want it going away sideways like that. I just want it to sit still, but it doesn't want to. It is reacting, and it's definitely fuming, and you can tell. And it wants to go away from where it is, and see how it reacts? Even though I'm turning it, it's trying to go towards the gold. And it's definitely reacting with whatever metals are in here. So, in conclusion, that would tell us what? Well, it would tell us that it's at least 10 karat gold. Okay, and since we're seeing a reaction at 14 karat, but it's not actually penetrating, you know, it's not actually leaving an acid burn, which is, oh, here we go on the other side. Or is that, oh, that's blue stuff from before. Okay. No, so it's very strange because we did see fuming, but we're not getting an acid burn that's typical of when you use a really strong acid. And I guess I'll take out the strong acid and show you on the final demonstration. So anyways, to reiterate, this would be around probably 12 karat gold plating, something like that. It resists the 10K stuff, which means that it's at least 10 karat gold. So there's two more, and this is the 18K, and this is the strongest stuff. Okay, now since we were getting a reaction from the 14, we know it's not higher than 14 karat gold, so we've already determined what it is. But we're just gonna, for fun, and I am wearing safety glasses still, by the way. For fun, we're going to pour the 22 karat gold nitric acid. Yeah, I'll try it directly on. There's no stable place to put it here, but try to find a place I haven't done a reaction on already. So here, the full strength acid, the strongest stuff I have, on gold plating. And it is burning through. So you can definitely see a color change now, and you can see the etching of acid on metal. When I neutralize this, there will be a spot, and the gold will be gone because it's now dissolved inside the acid. So watch, I will neutralize it, and we'll have a look at the damage. And there you have it. Porcelain underneath. Okay. This is a porcelain piece, which I have ruined with good reason to demonstrate my idiocy and my ability to ruin pieces. But actually, no, there was a teapot that went with this set, and I already broke that, and it was already a ruined set, so I felt no harm in donating the rest of the body to science, so to speak. So you could see we have acid that ate all the way through to the porcelain. So the gold plating is indeed gold plating on this, something that others could not spot. But if you remember from the plate, the luster, the shine, and the color, as well as the hue and the composition and other elements of shading, but you could tell it's the same gold color. It's the same stuff that they use for gilded gold. And upon seeing the tea set, I immediately bid on it, but it's worthless now. I have damaged it beyond repair now. For your benefit, I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope you guys can get out there and find some treasures yourself. Remember, X doesn't always mark the spot, and acid reactions need to be studied further to know for sure what kind of metal you have. But if you get an acid testing kit and you're careful and you use gloves and protection, as well as a magnet to check, because remember, silver and gold don't react to a magnet. Oh, this one's not silver anyways, but just trust me, silver doesn't react to a magnet. So always carry a magnet with you, but watch your credit cards, because it could wipe them out. And get an acid testing kit and start to mess around like I just did. See, hopefully you'll learn something here, and you won't have to ruin your tablecloth like I did, and you won't have to break a bunch of pieces and waste a bunch of money. And that's it. So I'm Dan for bestfinds.ca, and that's the tutorial on gold and silver. So I'll see you guys later.